Hey guys, welcome to this inheritance tutorial. We will be just seeing about inheritance of classes in this tutorial. I'm sorry, something is popping up. Okay, so let's create a class first, and let us call this class as employer. So what this employer class is going to have is it's going to have the details of the employees. So it's going to have the details of the employees. So let's create as usual the init function. Then let's call two variables, self dot name. So I think you guys would have understand about the concept of this init function. And I'm going to get two variables, that is name and posting, what posting they are in. So as I said before, these names are the names that we are getting from the user, and this is the variable that we are creating it now. So now what we can do is we can print them. So let's define a function and call it display. Display. So this display, what it will do is it is just going to print the name. So let's say um, name is equal to self dot name. I'm sorry, self dot name. So next what we can do is I'm going to declare designation. Before that, if you want the designation to be in the next line, we can use forward slash n. So I think it's backward slash anything, you use that slash n, and then if you put this annotation, it will go to the next line. Designation. So what is the designation? So designation is self dot post. So name is self dot name and posting is, so now if I have to give the values, right? So let's what shall we do is let's give the variables the value. So z is equal to employer, and the name will be as usual Madi, and let's the post be let's say engineer. So basically I'm an engineer, so let's keep it an engineer. So what happens if I run this display function? So you can see here the name and designation are getting printed as we described here. So now what I'm going to create is I'm going to create another class which is for managers. So I have employers and I have managers. So let's create a manager. So what I will be needing this name and post, both of them for the manager. So instead of me typing or copy pasting the same code or creating the same code, I can inherit the properties of the employer. So this is called inheritance. So if I now put employer here, so I put employer here, and let me just do nothing. So when this runs, let me pass everything. So this the properties of this employers will get transferred or will get inherited to this manager. So if I now put just manager, let's say that is equal to manager, and I'm passing the variables. Let's say um, any name Sha, and designation as branch manager. Branch manager, and if I now run this function is dot display, you can see this this function of this class is getting inherited to this manager, and it is displaying that. So this is something that you have to know about inheritance. So you can also surf in the Google for other or more properties for it. So stay tuned and subscribe this channel. We have a lot more to go, and we'll be walking through many examples hereafter. So kindly stay tuned. Thank you.